Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious shrimp boil. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2.5 pounds of large shrimp, 1 pound of sausage, corn on the cob, 1 pound of baby potatoes, 2 heads of garlic, 5 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 crab boil bag, 1 small white onion, 2 large lemons, a 1/4 cup of paprika, cayenne pepper, Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, lemon pepper, and sugar. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by cleaning and prepping all of our ingredients. Alright guys, so you're going to clean out your shrimp. So just make sure that you clean them real good. Clean and cut your corn, cut your sausages, dice your 2 heads of garlic, and wash your potatoes. Alright, so once we have everything ready, now let's get cooking. In a large pot, we're going to add 2.5 quarts of water. We're going to set it on high heat and we're just going to bring our water to a boil. Alright, so once our water comes to a boil, we're going to add our crab boil in a bag. So throw it in there. Along with our onion, cut it in half. 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Alright, so now we're going to add our corn. And we're going to cook our corn for 10 minutes by itself. Alright guys, so after 10 minutes, we're going to throw in our potatoes. And we're going to cook our potatoes for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they're nice and soft. Alright guys, so once your potatoes are nice and soft, we're going to remove the potatoes and the corn from the broth. And of course, if you want to add some crawfish, some crab legs, then you're going to use the same broth to cook them. But we're going to keep it simple, so I'm just going to use shrimp. Alright guys, so once we have removed the potatoes and the corn from the broth, now we're going to work on our butter. Alright, so in a large pan, we're going to set it on low heat, and we're going to add our 5 sticks of butter. And to that, we're going to add our minced garlic. So now we're just going to mix it and wait for the butter to melt. Alright, so once our butter has melted, now we're just going to cook our garlic for a couple minutes. Alright, so after 2 minutes, we're going to add in our 1/4 cup of paprika, our 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, our 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper, and cayenne pepper is going to be optional depending on how spicy you want it. I'm adding 3 tablespoons. And to that, we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of sugar. And now we're just going to mix it. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of our broth. And we're going to squeeze out 1 lemon to get the juice. Continue mixing it. Alright, so once it begins to low simmer, we're going to throw in our sausage. Alright, so now I'm just going to let my sausage simmer for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, now we're going to cook our shrimp. And the shrimp cooks pretty fast. So just give it a couple minutes. So move them around and let them cook. Alright, so I'm just going to cook my shrimp for 3 minutes, and then after that, we are ready to enjoy. Alright guys, so once your shrimps look like this, they are ready, so now we are ready to serve. Alright, so we're just going to transfer the shrimp and the sausage with my corn and potatoes. Okay. Alright, so now just pour your butter over everything in the bowl. Alright guys, so this is it. Now of course you can throw it, wherever you're going to serve it. So like that, you pick at it or get a plate and serve it. But now I'm so ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. And of course you guys, if you want to boil your sausage and your shrimp, in your water, then that's optional. It's up to you. This is just the way I like to eat it. I like to enjoy it, and my family loves it. So okay, so now I'm ready. And I already opened the shrimp, because the shrimp is a little bit messy. Here it is. The sauce, it's perfect. It's spicy, but like I said, you can always adjust it. For me and my family, this is perfect. So good. So flavorful and messy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a delicious shrimp boil. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.